Approach diverging Charlestown with an ace.
Yep, 202.
25 miles an hour.
Yep, and yeah, I see the diamonds. I don't know how I can get it, but dang, it's private property. Nuts. So it's 202. Did I hold right?
It is.
Yeah. Yeah, I can hear the diamonds. I don't think. Oh, I think I can hear it better.
Well, there's Adams.
Wow, 202 is not best size today. Yeah, it is private property.
Oh, dang.
I see it's on the way through.
No through traffic.
Dang. Well, we tried. Dang, I mean, we can't go over though. Fudge. But we could ask somebody who owns this public property.
I think it's the railroad.
Yeah, but I'm not sure.
I'm almost positive it's NS that owns that area.
Maybe, who knows?
Well, why else would the track inspector be allowed down there?
Well, they're going down there anyway, no matter what, so. But who knows? I don't know. Now this this is Charlestown? No.
Yeah.
Oh, it is Charlestown.
This is Charlestown.
Yay, Charlestown Diamond. I wish I could get a little bit closer. Yep. Yeah, I wish I could go a little bit closer, but yeah.
202 near Charlestown.
So if I turn the camera a little bit, I'm thinking. Yeah, I see the. Yeah, barely see those tracks over there, barely. But yeah.